As cliche as it may sound, the fortune is in the follow-up. There's absolutely no doubt about it. But the cool thing or the great thing about this is, as an affiliate marketer, you can actually get started today following up for free with the leads that you get from free traffic. And you can do this with a simple strategy or what I call the top strategy. It starts with traffic. Again, traffic that you can get for free over to an offer that you pick that helps solve a problem that your audience has. As an affiliate, you get an affiliate link that becomes your offer. It is the solution to their problem. And then you take those people and you add them to an email list. Check this out. The rule of 7 is a marketing rule. It goes back to this idea that it is very noisy out there. And you, as an affiliate marketer, you are joining the noise. Marketing rule of 7. In the first few times, a person will not notice the message. Also, people are usually resistant to marketing messages by nature. You need to follow up. How does that work? Utilizing the top strategy, you build an audience that becomes your traffic. In this example, we are making YouTube videos showing people or creating content and showing people how our offer, which is our squeeze page that gives additional information or simply leads people over to the affiliate offer sales page where we can earn a commission. But the key here is to make sure that you are following up because, again, just like I said at the beginning of the video, the fortune is in the follow-up. So you want to put those people, your audience, onto an email list. That allows you to follow up with them as many times as necessary to get back to the affiliate offer sales page or to additional content here on YouTube, or if you wanted to create something like a Facebook group. As soon as you find your audience on YouTube and they become traffic over to your squeeze page and you add them to your email list, then you can follow up with more or additional content. Again, thinking of that rule of 7, understanding that this concept of following up is where you actually make the majority of your money. And it happens here, or the best place for it to happen is here on your email list. And again, you can start with YouTube. You can create traffic for free. There's also a link in the description. You can actually start creating an email list for free using a autoresponder called GetResponse. Link in the description. Create your free account. This page, it's that simple as entering your email address there. And then once you have access to your free GetResponse account, you will have access to all the tools that you need that you see here to start building that email list, which in this case are a list of people that are interested in your offer. You can see here on a video here on my YouTube channel how simple this is. People watch this YouTube channel. There's a link in the description that shows you my top strategy and the tools that I use. You simply click on that link that you see right here in the YouTube description. It goes over to this, what is called the squeeze page, like we saw earlier. This is where traffic become people that you add to your list. This is my offer. My offer is to show you my simple strategy and the simple tools that have made me money from utilizing one marketplace. And again, following this top strategy, you can get traffic for free. You can send people over to an offer, put them on an email list. Once those people get on an email list, again, that is where you start following up. That is where you start to build a list of people that are interested but need to be followed up with, because again, the fortune is in the follow-up, and you can do that very simply and for free by generating traffic using what I do or how I do it here on YouTube. You can follow that simple or that top strategy, create a traffic source, understand that you need an offer, and then generate a list of people, follow up with them. And that's how you start simply and for free. Link in the description for GetResponse, the free email autoresponder that I recommended and showed you in this video, as well as link in the description where you can see my top strategy in action and exactly how I do this every day, step by step, to make money online as an affiliate marketer. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.